Hey, welcome back to WorldwideGiantGrowers.com. I want to talk to you today about Perlite. These are my giant pumpkin plants that I start in the bathtub. We are growing 2,000 pound big orange pumpkins at WorldwideGiantGrowers.com, and we use Perlite. Perlite is an industrial mineral. When heated up, expands to 7 to 16 times its size. And what it does is it adsorbs with a D, and minerals will stick to it like a magnet. So it absorbs nutrients. It does not absorb like a sponge. Absorb with a B. It is not like that. That would be more like a vermiculite. So we like that because we like to control the moisture in our soil. Vermiculite would hold a lot of water. We don't want that, as water holds disease. As you can see, I have an oscillating fan going today. Poked holes in my grow bags, and what we are trying to do is dry these plants out. I watered them heavy. I got a little bit of leaf curl due to that, and I had to go out of town for 3 days, but now that I'm back, the fan is running. Now, are you the person that says, hey, look at this perlite? I had a couple people tell me, look at the perlite. The perlite, there's no point put it in the soil because it just all comes to the surface. So do you see the perlite in the surface, that little 1% on the surface? Or do you see the 99% that goes deep into the soil and it basically stays there? It doesn't rise to the surface. What you're looking at here on the surface is just as you water the perlite, the dirt washes off the perlite, and you can see the perlite is more pronounced. But anyways, perlite, if you're growing any kind of gardening, any kind of plants, perlite is an awesome product. It'll help prevent soil compaction and nutrients stick to it. So I highly recommend the use of perlite in all your plants. We buy it in 72 cubic foot bags, right from the manufacturer's wholesale price. It is much cheaper than buying it in the stores. Hey, join us with Mark's Mixes Fertilizer. We have our Root Keeper, Mark's Specialty, and more. Join us at WorldwideGiantGrowers.com for how to garden all types of plants. Join us, please. We'll talk to you soon.